To install two SIM cards on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is just find yourself the SIM tray, which is located on the left side of the phone, just right here, and you will have to get yourself a SIM tool, or you can additionally, if you don't have a SIM tool, you can open it with a paper clip, but the SIM tool comes included with your phone in the box. I will actually open this SIM tool with this paper clip. So all you gotta do right now is just insert this pin into the pinhole right here, push it all the way in if possible, and after that, after you feel the resistance, simply push it, and now as you can see it just ejected this SIM tray, and you can grab it with your nails with no problem and take it out of this phone. And alright, here we have our SIM tray. Let me put this phone back on its place, and here you can see that we have actually 3 different slots, and we can find 2 SIM slots actually and SD card slot. So to install 2 SIM cards in your phone, here you can see a little numbers. It's hardly to see on the camera because these numbers are like little very small, but here you can see that there's this SIM number 1 and SIM number 2. So on the left side there's the number 1 SIM, and this is the second SIM. So simply grab your SIM cards, 2 of your SIM cards, and insert them into these slots just like this, and they will fit like perfectly. As you can see, here is these slots have the cut right here for these cards, so they will fit only one way into this SIM tray just like this, and they fit all the way in with no problem. So here we have our 2 SIM cards currently installed on our SIM tray, and now we have to insert this SIM tray with these SIM cards back into our phone. So let's grab this phone right here, and the SIM tray is located on this side, and simply all you gotta do is now insert this tray into the phone facing with this side. And also you can find a text right here which says face to screen. So with this side right here facing screen, you'll have to insert this SIM tray back into your phone just like this, and carefully push in. And alright, here we have our SIM cards currently inserted into the phone, 2 of them. So that's how we can do this.